I am Julianne, the Cast Iron Babe. Welcome to the first Sunday edition of the Cast Iron Babe. Cheers to you, welcome to our home. Just a little bit about us. We are not professional cooks, neither of us. We just are regular people who wanted to connect with you, share some of the recipes that we have learned around the world and in our own backyard, and celebrate all kinds of people in a great community that teaches high performance living, motivation, positive impact, and our slogan is feed the people, nurture yourself. So today, Joe and I just got back from Mexico, and today we are going to make, first time for me, lime ricotta pancakes. They're gonna be right here, look right here, on the cast iron skillet, which I have been heating on super low for a long time, keeping it greased, but really nice even. So our ingredients are pretty simple. Our ingredients are egg whites, we have ricotta cheese, milk, melted butter, vanilla. Look at this nice lemon zest. We have some fresh lemon or lime juice, flour, a little bit of sugar, vegetable oil. Step one is making this beautiful egg white meringue. And when it's light and fluffy, what's gonna do is we're gonna fold some of it into the dry and the rest of the wet ingredients. And we're going to blend it, and then we're gonna add a little bit more at the end and just barely fold it in and make some nice and light, fluffy. All right, now we've got the meringue is made, and so the rest of it is so easy. So what we're gonna do is we're going to just start mixing together all the wet ingredients. We're gonna go in one. Got our melted butter that's no longer melted, love it. Go, it's in there. And we have our ricotta cheese we're gonna mix in there. And then we also have lime juice, so milk and vanilla and melted butter, lime juice, a little bit of vegetable oil, that ricotta cheese. We're just gonna mix all that together. Okay. Now I'm gonna add in the zest from 3 lemons, 3 delicious fresh lemons. And then I am going to pour that in here into our bowl. And then I'm gonna add our dry ingredients. Really, really easy. Just adding these dry ingredients. I'm gonna mix those together. Oh, it smells delicious. So we got this recipe from La Casa que Canta in Mexico. Our friends Felipe and Yvonne and Irving Manuel taught us this recipe. So this is my first time making it. Okay, looks like it's blended well enough. Now I'm gonna take about 1/3 of our meringue, and I'm just gonna add that and fold it in there. It's gonna make it nice and light. See, we're just gonna whip it in nice and light. So now when you cook these, there's a part of it that you may feel like, oh, it's not quite cooked enough, but that is just the light beauty of the meringue and that ricotta cheese. So we've got that there, mix that in. Now I'm gonna add in a little bit more, and then we're gonna cook. One of the things I want you to know is we are not always gonna be using flour and sugar and things that you may think, oh my gosh, that's not good for me. We do everything in moderation here. So I'm gonna have special cooking for brain health, cast iron cooking for brain health, cast iron cooking for heart health, cast iron cooking for women's health, and then tons and tons of recipes for kids to make with you. And all of these things with high performance living tips in mind so that your kids are learning stuff, life skills, you're bringing them in the kitchen. Okay, now that we are ready to go, I always like to use, this cast iron skillet has been on low for quite a while now. And I like to really get the nice even heat. And And then I like cooking with butter. If I'm doing pancakes, I like butter. I like the flavor that it adds. So we're nice and evenly heated. And okay, this is literally gonna be the first time that I've made these, so wish me luck. I'm just gonna plop one down on there. We're gonna see how it goes. What do you think, babe? Ooh. So you see how it's nice and light. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try these. Okay, so we're gonna just start with 2 and we're gonna see what we think. So we're gonna leave them to cook on super low for about 3 minutes. And then you're gonna flip them over just until it's brown on the bottom side. And then you're gonna serve with, I actually like eating them plain, but you can serve with butter, syrup, honey. I love how it's crackling. And you could really, really smell the lemon come through. Initially, I felt like it seemed like a lot of lemon and lime to put in, but it really does give you this real burst, freshness, and just barely sweet. That's the nice thing. It's like if you're the kind of person that likes lemonade that's barely sweet, this is what we're talking about right here in the form of a pancake with ricotta cheese in it. Delicious. Okay, come back when we serve these up. Do those sound good to you? What do you think? Oh, you want lime ricotta pancakes? I think that means that's a yes. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take a bite now. Delicious. Lily wants some too. Okay, babe. Joe is trying his now.
Reminds me of Mexico.
Ooh, yeah. What do you think, Lily? You want to try some too? Oh, look at, oh my God. So terrible we are. So I think they're a hit.
Everybody gets a piece of pancake.
That's it.
So that's it. See you next Sunday.
Bye.